Hi everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. So today I'm going to be showing you a room tour of our balcony cabin here on board the Regal Princess. We've just finished our trip. So sad. We're literally here, docked in Southampton now, about to get off in about 20 minutes time. Well, actually we need to leave the room in 20 minutes time. We're obviously going to go get some breakfast first. But yeah, we've had such a lovely trip, and today I thought I'd show you around the room, see what it's like, just so you get a rough idea of what it's like to have a balcony cabin here on Princess. It is a little bit different from other cruise lines, so yeah, let's get started. So this is our room. We're on Baja 702, which is deck 11. Obviously you got the names, your medallion, honestly when you're like halfway down the corridor, the door just like opens. You can click there if you want service in your room, you know, like your bed's making, and then if you want do not disturb, there's the door. We don't actually have any neighbours, we're right next to the lifts, so that is fab. Right, let's come into the room. Obviously because it's the last day, the room hasn't been done up yet. Let me just leave my door open a little bit for my mum. There we go, she just popped out for a minute. So on the back of the door, as you can see, we have the muster station. Ours is H in the Vista Lounge on deck 7. This just means that in like an emergency or anything, we have to go to this place and then they'll sort us out. So yeah, we're on H. As you can see here, we've got a little coat hanger. There was a little leaflet about breakfast in bed, you know, room service on there, but I think they've taken it off now. Here you have a little card. You need this card in if you want electricity on, so that needs staying in. Obviously you've got all the lights. Let's come over here. This is the wardrobe area, so it's kind of like a walk-in wardrobe. Obviously we've got our life jackets, loads and loads of hangers, and you can actually request more hangers if you do have more clothes, so don't worry if you think, oh my god, there's only like 10 or 15 hangers, so you can request more. Then there's a laundry bag for laundry service. I don't actually know if laundry service is open, but if the bags are there, I presume it is. There's actually quite a bit of space here, and obviously your shelves. Here we do have a mirror. Hi. Huge full-length mirror. And then as you turn, so once you come into the room, that is kind of the area here. Then here's the bathroom. Got a light. Is it on? Yeah, the lights are on. So on the door of the bathroom you've got 2 hooks. Ignore the mess again. And you've got a few shelves there. You've got 3 shelves. It is hard for space, but get some soap and some toiletries, towels. So this is the shower. As you can see, it's a little bit, oh, trying to get the camera to focus. It's a little bit old shower. It is a shower curtain, not a glass screen. You do get some, what is it, shampoo and conditioner and shower gel. I personally did not use that because 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner is not great. Oh, the phone's ringing. So you just got your toilet, in case you want to see that. Got some tissues, soft tissues if you're going to blow your nose. It also comes with some moisturiser, I think. Lotion. Who is it? Someone's on the phone. This is lotion. Oh. I don't know what's going on. They have lotion here. But personally I have sensitive skin, so I did not use that. They have soap, decent soap. So yeah, let's go and have a look at the rest of the room. Might just wait a second because my mum's on the phone to my brother in another cabin. So in just a second we'll go and have a look at the rest of the room. So they've just finished up on the phone, so now we're going to go and have a look at the rest of the room. So you come out the bathroom, let's turn the lights off. Obviously we've got our suitcases here because we're ready to leave. Again, ignore the fact that the beds aren't made, we're just leaving now, so obviously the room steward hasn't been today. You've got, oh, what is this? flat screen TV. I don't know how many inches it is, but decent. I wouldn't say the choice of films are great. I think there's like a couple of channels and that's it, but you can see like where you are in the world on there. This is your controls for aircon and heating. This is okay, but in the night it does get really hot. Like, we put it on cold, like freezing cold, but it still gets hot, doesn't it? The beds, originally they come as, is it a double bed or like king, something like that. But obviously we've asked to have the bed split, and then they've popped the little dressing table in between, which is nice. The beds were actually quite comfy. I personally didn't like the pillows. Do you want to show you what the pillows? They're just like, they're really like, you know, when you put your head down, they just sink into it properly. Personally, I don't like that, but other people might like it. What have we got here? Let's move this pillow out the way. Shelf, 2 drawers, never even been in it. So yeah, gonna pop some stuff on there. Obviously got a bottle of water and hot chocolate on there. Got another area here, a little mirror. They're like luggage tags in case we wanted them to take our luggage off. Personally, we choose to take our own luggage off the ship. A few more shelves. What's this? Never opened it. Is it a mini bar? Mini bar in there. I'm not going to touch that. Again, more mess. Tea and coffee station with a kettle, essential for all UK people. 3 more drawers, shelf and 2 drawers, so that's exactly the same as on the other side. Oh, a lamp. Obviously you get a lamp each. What kind of plug sockets do they have? They have European plug socket there, and then they also have American. If you want to have a look, that's the American plug socket. You can actually get free what they called adapters. So if you just go on the app, you can request free adapters. You can also request bathrobes, extra pillows, face masks, everything like that. So now moving on to the balcony. As you can see, oh, huge doors. Let's go outside. Can never get out. Oh, my mum's gonna help.
If she can.
If she can do it. There we go, thank you. So as you can see, we're in the beautiful Southampton. Oh no, I am not glad to be back. Oh, do we have to get on a bus? I've got a feeling we have to get on a bus. Hoping not. As you can see, this is all the lifeboats and everything. We can't actually see people sunbathing there in like normal times. So yeah, this is the balcony space. You have 2 chairs and a little table. The space isn't that great, so if I stand all the way back, that's kind of not much space. But yeah, it's big enough. So yeah, here it is. You can obviously talk to other people on different ones. You can't actually look inside really. If you do have an interconnecting room, you can actually get them to open the balcony doors so that you have one big balcony. I'm gonna go back inside now, it's a bit noisy. Oh, there we go, and it is double curtained on there. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. Hi. This was a balcony stateroom. I don't think it was a deluxe balcony, it was just normal. Like everyone else has got deluxe balconies because they've got a sofa in. Oh, you know what I forgot to show you? Right, okay, so up here we have 2 drop down beds. Can you see these huge rectangle things? That's 2 drop down beds. So obviously you can have your 2 beds or double bed and then 2 drop down beds in case like a family of 4. In the deluxe balcony you have a sofa instead, which is a sofa bed. I feel like this is a better idea because then at least everyone can have their own bed. It's a bit better. But yeah, really hope you enjoyed the video. We stayed in Baja 702, so deck 11 702. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss all the vlogs from our trip. Bye!